your boy Shamo out here. Very special, special Shamo out here. What's going on, guys? This is your boy Shamo out here, and I got a special video for you guys today. I got a special unboxing for you guys today. These aren't anything new that came out recently. These came out earlier this year. I wasn't able to get them, but I had a friend from Russia. I got a plug from Russia. Yeah. I was able to get them fortunately through him. I'm really excited. That's why I'm here showing you guys this video here today. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So you guys ready? I need some scissors. Let's go. You guys ready? I am. Oh shit. Okay. Ooh. It's out the way. All right. Oh. That's crazy. All right, the Air Jordan Off-White 5s. What are these shit? You don't want to wait to get these? You don't want to wait to get these, guys? The Air Jordan Off-White 5s. These came out this year in February 2020. And it took me, how long?
1, 2, 3, 4 months.
About 4 months to get them. I must say it was definitely worth the cop. And there you have it here, guys. It's my first unboxing for you guys. This is my first video for you guys. Stay tuned. Definitely be lookout. Definitely be lookout. Definitely be on the lookout for more videos in the future. This is something very excited about. I actually like doing. I'm very happy to share with you guys here. I plan to do many reviews in the future of upcoming sneakers that I want, that I missed out on, that I'm trying to get now. Definitely trying to do reviews on sneakers I have. I have a bunch. I'm pretty sure you guys will be excited to see. Yeah, I'm all about just, but stick around. You know, I hope you guys really like it. And you guys really enjoyed it. If you can, just give it a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Anything you can hit me up about upcoming sneakers. Any info I could possibly share it down the line to you, your friends, your friends, your other friends. I'll put in the link below my YouTube. This is YouTube. I'll put on the link below my Instagram, my Twitter, anything. Feel free to hit me up. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. Watch out for more. We out. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. Watch out. We out.
Just do it.
I am. Okay. Alright. So I need this. Okay, cool. Okay, go ahead. Hit it!